For this project, you will need nylon cord, you will need scissors and a lighter, a paper clip that you can take apart to use as a guide wire, the silicone or acrylic beads that you want to make your keychain, and some sort of a clasp. Everything can be found on myprettyposhprincess.com. So what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna lay out the design that I want. This is gonna be the type of keychain that you just grab, makes it easy to find your keys, but doesn't go around your wrist. So I'm not gonna use too many beads. I really like having that one big focal in the middle. You see there's 12mm white, 12mm white lentils, 14mm rose gold hexagons, and one 19mm beige leopard. So once I lay it out, I kind of do a little measure. It's a rough measure, and I'm gonna sear the edges so that I can stick the nylon cord together. By doing this, the ends come together, they melt really nicely, and it is ridiculously strong. I'm really pulling with all my might, and it's not coming apart. Now I'm gonna loop that nylon cord through so that it is secured onto the lobster clasp, which we have several different keychain hardwares on the website that you can find if you look under the drop-down keychain hardware tab. Now I put my paper clip through the nylon cord. This is gonna help me guide the cord through the bead because we're doubling up this 2mm thickness nylon cord, which makes it pretty thick and a little snug to get through. You will be so frustrated if you don't use some sort of a guide wire or paper clip. I also have my needle nose pliers handy in case I need help pulling that paper clip through like I did on this one. So I've got the first 4 beads on. I'm gonna go ahead and string the rest of those beads. Once you get the beads on, we're gonna go back through that last bead. So as you see, I'm pulling it out a little bit and I need to bring it around to the back and put it through. So we're doubling it up. So there's triple, well, quadruple through, and we pull it through. Those needle nose pliers are a must for this. So we've pulled it through, and now I have to bring it down on that wire. So I'm bringing it down, and pulling that cord back through the bottom of the bead. This secures the beads onto that nylon cord so they're not going anywhere because we kind of did that loop or knot through the very last one by going in on the opposite end. Now I'm spacing them out. I probably could have made the nylon cord a little bit shorter. It's a little bit long, or go back through and tie knots between each one. That would look really cute. But for this project, I love this. I'm gonna leave them on my keys. Find everything that you need to make this project on myprettyposhprincess.com.